Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Sonic Racing CrossWorlds error code 140. The error reads, host communication has been disconnected. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play online matches on PS5. It typically occurs after completing 1 to 2 laps in the game. According to our research, the error is likely related to connection issues between the host and the game server. It may also be caused by network glitches or temporary server outages. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your PC or console. Simply shut down your device and wait for a few seconds, and then power it back on. After restarting, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try power cycling your router. Simply turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Then wait for about 5 minutes and then plug it back in and restart it. Then launch the game and check for the error. If the error still persists, then check if you need to update the game. If there is any pending update, install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes and you are playing the game through Steam, then check if Steam is under maintenance. If it is, then wait until the maintenance ends. At last, if the error still persists, then the game servers might be down. In that case also, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.